Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening and welcome back in. The fun has already begun for us here this evening as snow is flying across most of the bluegrass. Our home view showing us that, especially down on this bottom right panel in London, you can see some pretty large flakes flying across the camera there. We're seeing snow falling in all areas, maybe even some freezing mist or drizzle, more so in Somerset, where some spots are sitting just a tiny bit warmer, and we're seeing on satellite and radar some of these pinks moving in. That's more of a right around freezing line in the cloud, meaning that we could be seeing some of that light freezing rain or drizzle falling down places like Somerset. Most of us, though, here in central and northern parts, filling in with snow this evening and big flakes because they're warmer temperatures. It's probably going to be a wet, slushy snow. Now, most of us are falling below freezing here. We've got some spots, Jackson, Hazard, Harlan, that are still above freezing. But here in Lexington, even in Somerset, those temps sit at 32 or colder. And then we're going to continue to see a change over to all snow the rest of tonight. This initial wave is coming from that low approaching us, pulling up some southerly winds and some warmer temps. Then we've got on the backside of that wave 2, which is also some decent moderate snowfall that's going to fly in for us as we head into tomorrow. All of this is covered by a winter weather advisory for us that goes through at least Friday night. Some areas, especially in eastern Kentucky, hold on to this, including the winter storm warning until 7 a.m. on Saturday. The point is, we're likely going to see some icy road conditions or at least snow covered at times through tomorrow morning with lowered visibility. And then with this storm on the backside, bringing very breezy winds and some colder temperatures that will once again push us down near or below freezing with some nasty wind chills for the weekend. Details in a second on that. First, tracking the timing on this. This is Futurecast suggestions of what's coming. It's a little aggressive on the pinks here, on the warmer nose of air trying to shoot up into the clouds. More of this staying blue for us, meaning more snow for the most part overnight tonight. Then here comes that second wave for your morning commute tomorrow. Not a ton of breaks in between the two rounds here. We're going to continue to have that snow through about 10 or 11 a.m. And then spotty snow showers are going to be possible for us all throughout the day, Friday and into Saturday. But the bulk of the snow will end with totals somewhere around here by late Friday night. We're looking at a general 1 to 4 for everybody, especially in the northern and eastern portions of this map. Where we have that icing possibility, we might see some of the lower ends of these totals, but temperatures running a little colder probably put us towards the middle and upper side of that forecast as we go into Friday night. Some spots down in our southeast mountains could see 2 to 5 inches as a little bit more of the dynamic flow gives us some higher chances for snow. There is that light glaze possibility mainly south of our parkways here tonight, but you saw that temperatures already below freezing are going to likely keep a lot of that snow the rest of the way. 24-hour overnight low, that's what's going to lead to more of the same into tomorrow. High temperatures not far from that. Breezy with some snow showers staying in the mix. Then temperatures continue to drop as our next Arctic blast comes in into the weekend. It matches our next big thing with the snow. We've also got the cold. We're looking at Sunday morning being the coldest, and there's a good chance we actually drop below zero with just our air temperatures. The wind chills are going to be a whole nother story. We're going to keep an eye on that for you as we get into the weekend. But expect this to continue into tomorrow, and then we're going to see the Saturday morning's chances wrap up as well. Warmer with rain chances back into the forecast middle of next week. That's it for weather. Sports after the break.